Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get your test and live Stripe API keys from your Stripe account. First thing I want you to do is open up your browser and just search up a Stripe, open it up and just go ahead and log in first, okay? And then on your dashboard, come to the bottom left, click on developers and then click on API keys right here from this menu. And then, okay, we can close this setup guide. You'll actually see your keys. So if you want to create a new key, you can click on create a key right here. Click on this plus icon, or you can copy these keys that are available right here. So you have your publishable key, your secret key, and you can also create restricted keys as well. So this is where you find your API keys. Just click to copy. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.